What's up, guys? Coming to you again from whatever the heck I do. But this is another van tour with, me, Jarrod Tocci. Hello. Check this out. I've got cool Hilary behind me. I've got a lot of requests for doing, budget-friendly builds or less expensive than the $150,000 vans that I show quite frequently. Guys, I show these. Like, I don't want to call them less expensive.
They're literally less expensive.
They are less expensive, yeah. And I do show them, and this is a case important right here, because I've got Hilary that is in a older vehicle, and we're gonna know all about her and the vehicle and the build that she has done, all for, I think you said under 12.
Yeah, about 12.
$12,000.
Yeah.
A little bit less. All right, so we're gonna get all into that all right here. Go, I'll go. I'm gonna get in because we got a lot of background noise out here, so can I come in with you?
Yeah.
Cool.
Come on in. Yeah, take
a
seat.
We'll start from the back and move forward. I usually start in the front and move back, but let's start in the back and move forward. But before we get into that, let's find out a little bit about Hilary. Can we do that?
Oh my gosh, yeah.
Let's find out a little about Hilary, you know what I mean? First of all, what's your sign? I'm just kidding.
Aquarius?
Are you Aquarius?
Yeah, I am.
So am I.
Really? What's
No,
your...
I'm just kidding.
God, you did this before. You're like, my birthday's February 2nd.
Anyway.
Sorry.
Hilary and I are like, we are BFFs already. I love this. Year, make, model of said van we are sitting in.
Yeah, it's a 1999 Ford E250.
Okay.
And it used to be a Holiday Inn shuttle bus, actually.
A Holiday Inn shuttle bus. Was it green?
Yes. So this is like all the original coloring, the yellow stripe on the outside, all original. I bought this already converted, so like it already had a raised roof. This is actually all from the original Holiday Inn shuttle bus days.
That's so weird.
It has a certain vibe in this van.
It does have a certain vibe in the van. I mean, there's nothing wrong with it. It's cool.
Totally.
All right, so we figured out it's a 99. It's a Holiday Inn Express van, used obviously, or from them directly, or how did that work?
No, actually 2 other van lifers had already lived in this, and it was already built out. I didn't want to do the build. When I got it, I realized like the build was super not safe. Like there were cedar shingles everywhere. There was like a propane tank that wasn't secured and open wires, and I was like, okay. So I ended up gutting it with my dad, and then my dad and I spent about 5.5 months doing this whole build.
Wait, time out. You were like, I don't want to do a build, and then you ended up doing a build.
Yeah.
That's life, everybody.
Exactly.
Okay.
Right.
This is the first time I've seen your van in seating position.
Okay.
This is Dinette style at its finest. Did you have it this way all festival? That's why?
Yeah.
Okay, did you sleep this way or did you put it into the bed form?
I absolutely put it into the bed form.
Okay, you're about my you're 5'8"-ish, 5'7"-ish.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you sleep more comfortable when it's a full bed, I presume.
Yeah, for sure. Like, I mean, I could probably fit sleeping on this, but come on.
Who wants to do that?
Yeah, exactly. I'm gonna roll around.
This looks like the original fabric from 1999, maybe even 1989. Are you going for that vintage feel in here?
Yeah, I mean, I'm going for frugal. That's my main thing. And
Frugal. Okay. All right.
I found these on Craigslist for $75 for all the cushions. It actually included 2 other mattresses as well. And they were in great condition. They'd been, in storage. So and they fit the van's width perfectly. So.
It does actually work out. So you don't have to cut any of your mattresses or your cushions or nothing? Wow, you lucked out. And I mean, come on, look at this leather, guys. Right. I mean, it's fake, but you guys know what I mean. You kept the vibe in here somehow. I have no idea how you did that.
I want to say too, all of the wood in here, except maybe this stuff, all came from my parents' garage. It'd been sitting in there for literally 30 years.
Okay.
It's oak wood. Bring to focus that this is all done on a budget, and I used whatever materials I had lying around the house, and my goal was to just be on the road fast and cheap. Build itself cost probably $2,000, $1,500, $2,000.
And then how much did you buy the van for?
About $6,000.
$6,000.
Yeah. I
said at the beginning of the videos it's about $12,000. So where's that remaining money?
All on mechanical fixes.
How stressful was that?
It was actually really stressful. Okay, so I had our mechanic friend look it over, and he came back saying, ditch this van and just get a new one. And I was like,
no.
So I know. I literally for 2 weeks yo-yoed back and forth on if I should just get rid of it or put the fixes into it, and I ultimately decided to put the fixes into it. And so whole new brake system, exhaust manifolds were cracked, and I got those replaced. New windshields, just...
I'm assuming storage underneath these huge benches.
These huge, yeah. So I got storage there, storage like that, and then this one's a little sticky, but the way that these come out like that. Okay, I don't know.
No, you don't have to do the whole thing. No, you're good. You're good.
Yeah.
Everybody gets it.
Right?
Okay. Yeah.
This is a French cleat. That's what this is called.
Okay. Yeah, you lift it and it actually slides into that.
Yep.
Very good. You and your dad did that?
Yes, we did. Yeah.
Boom, shakalaka.
Right?
That's pretty nifty. So it only takes you not too long to convert it.
No, really not.
I'm going to switch sides with you, and can you talk to me about your kitchen? Because I've been looking at it while you've been talking, and your sink setup is ridiculous.
I don't know if you mean that in a good or bad way.
I mean it in the best way, because I'm like, yo, that is some ingenuity at its finest. So let's switch sides. Can we do that?
Let's
All right.
do this.
Do you know the dimensions of this entire, do you know what the length of your bed is? It's okay. It's long.
It's long.
Hilary is a barrel of fun. I had to cut out a whole bunch just now, but she's turning bright red. Hilary, talk to me about your kitchen setup and apparently an extra power source.
Yes, totally. Okay. Kitchen setup. I got my little light here.
Okay.
It bounces a little. Okay.
Oh my God! You even hit it. You were like, "Yeah, but it just bounces. I don't even care, everybody."
It's great. No. So like with the bumps and stuff, it goes along with that.
Sure.
Yeah. Okay. So I have this sink literally found in my parents' basement.
Okay.
It's great. It's real stainless steel. This is a hand pump that came with the van from the previous owner, and then underneath is a water cooler jug, and it's 5 gallons.
And you just take it out and fill it up.
I literally, like, so this thing comes
Oh my
up.
God! Look at that.
Yeah, and then it hooks onto this thing, which is also where I hang my
Was
dish
this
cloths.
was this all Hilary and Dad ingenuity?
Yes, 100%.
Wow, that's pretty new. That's cool.
Thank you.
I like it.
Yeah,
And then your power system sitting on top of it looks like the rest of your power system.
Exactly, yes.
Okay.
So there are 2 deep cycle batteries in here, and they charge off of the van's alternator. And
No solar.
No solar.
Wow, I didn't even realize that.
Yeah.
How long can you last without running the car?
Like 2 or 3 days.
Okay.
If I charge my laptop, like a day, but
Right.
if I'm only using my ceiling lights and my fan, then probably 3 days.
And do you use your Jackery for your laptop only?
Literally, yes. Like,
Okay.
It's, yes.
You said 200 amp hours of AGM?
Yeah.
Yeah, she has to think about that, everybody. We're just gonna go with that.
Yeah.
And then the littlest of the Jackeries.
The littlest of Jackeries, but I have the portable solar panels, so I can charge the Jackery with the solar panel, and
Cool.
yeah, it keeps me good.
Kitchen, great. How the heck do you cook, Hilary?
Oh man, I cook like this.
I cook like this.
I got my 2 burner propane camping stove right here. There is a 20-pound propane tank underneath the benches, and this thing, the hose goes down there. There's a little hole right there in the benches for that. Oh, I love it. It's probably my favorite part of the build.
Yeah, cooking?
Well, yeah, every morning I use it to heat up my water for my coffee and
Sure.
make some scrambled eggs, and
We got this thing here. Is this your refrigerator?
yeah, that's my refrigerator.
Hilary, I need to get your refrigerator, girl.
Yeah.
How are you? All right, so this is a good time actually right now. How long you been on the road?
A little over a year.
You've been on the road for about a year now, and you have been doing an ice cooler this whole time. I don't mean to call you out. I was just asking you, really, how difficult is it to fill up ice into a chest every probably 3 days?
It's really tough.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I'm not a vegetarian, I'm not vegan, but I've almost become vegetarian just out of practical matter, you know?
Oh my goodness. You got these cool drawers. Like, is there anything going on in there, or is they just for aesthetics?
No, not at all. These are super practical, so this is where my cooking stuff is. Also, these drawers come out this way, and they come out that way.
Well, that's cool.
Boom, right?
Wood on wood sliding.
Exactly. Electronics drawer.
I love how you did this drawer system, because everybody freaks out about drawers sometimes, and I can't say the word drawer, but whatever.
Yeah, you really can't. I thought you said draw.
I did say draw because that's my accent.
Yeah, that
Thank you for calling me out.
That's a New Englander.
You are a fellow New Englander, yes. Your dad did it, and you did it kind of cool. Like, it's just wood sliding on wood.
Totally.
I mean, it is what it is.
Yeah,
And
also, I just want to add that like these ropes here, so basically every time you pull the drawer out, it's pushing the wood pieces together instead of pulling them apart, so it like doesn't weaken it over time. Like
Okay.
it strengthens it. That's the purpose. And I could pull this out all the way and use it as like a little picnic or like a toolbox or something.
Is this your wardrobe?
This is my wardrobe.
I love it. I love it. It doesn't, yeah. You are very actually tidy and clean in here. You know, small space, been living, I mean, maybe because you were just showing it at the festival, but I think you are like this all the time.
Oh, wow. Yeah, honestly, I just don't really have room to not be like this all the time.
All right, and you know, it's kind of small and it doesn't take long to clean up.
Yeah, exactly. But it also takes really quick to mess up. So,
Oh, that's also true.
yeah, but like I have more clothes in the benches, but getting to the benches when it's in bed mode is super annoying. So I have all my daily use clothes in this thing, and it's just like.
Is that Target? Target?
I believe it's a la Walmart.
A la Walmart.
A la Walmart.
You got more storage at the top there.
Yeah, more storage up here. It gets really hot up here, so I just keep like, you know, socks, towels.
I really actually like, I'm gonna point this out, just your upper cabinet that you and your dad did.
This was actually done by my, one of my best friends, childhood best friend's dad, who's an amazing carpenter.
Cool.
Shout out to Lucian Susi. And this was like a labor of love that he did. So yeah, I just.
Would you say that this is the nicest part of the van build?
I mean, this plus this, yes.
Okay, cool.
I feel like I'm in a real little kitchen area.
Yeah,
you know?
I'd love it. Oh, this is like your only draw slides that I have seen.
Oh, there you go, yeah.
You just go, oh, there you go, as in like you had no idea?
Yeah.
Oh my God, Hilary's been in her van for a year, everybody. Oh, what we find out. That's awesome. And that stays closed? Nothing, no problems?
It has slid open actually, and so I did add a
Like a catch?
little magnetic.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, yeah. Well, a catch would have been a good idea. But there we have it. A
That's
magnet's
okay.
worked great for me.
A magnet's been fine.
Yeah.
All right. I've already plastered where you are on the interwebs, but please, can you share with everybody so they can verbally hear you?
Yes. HilaryGreen.van.go on Instagram, and I'm sharing everything about small van life on a budget. So
Okay.
also greenvango.com.
Yeah. Oh, is that your website?
That is my website.
All right, cool. Small van life living tips and trades. Check out Hilary because I think she knows what the heck she's doing after a year of this. Safe to say?
Safe to say.
Safe to say. All right, cool. Would you like to say anything else?
Follow your dreams.
Follow your dreams. So cliche.
Shut up.
Oh, love it. Hilary, actually, apparently Hilary and I have been friends for a lot longer than I thought we were.
Yeah.
We've actually had discussions on the Instagram. So, you know, I'm glad I got to finally meet you.
Same, yeah.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Can I get a high five?
High
Thank
five.
you. All right, guys, give her a follow. Check out her van. It's freaking awesome. I actually truly do. I'm exhausted from the shows, but that's why I'm not energetic, thank God. And we'll see you guys next time. Peace out.
I could run through the fire, I could conquer the night if I can make it